Yeah, geez, man, I had to end up adding a gusset. This is the second time I bent it and heated it up and bent it back straight. So it's like, hopefully yeah, I added that. Um, I've already got one in there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put one on that side or not. It might be too much overkill. Like, that one's in the center. That's on that side. I don't know if I ought to plate over here or not. I mean, and the other one didn't bend as bad, so I don't even know if I want to feel like fixing that one right now. Yeah, probably have to, but I really don't want to. That one can probably take a couple more times heating it up and bending it back. Yeah, I don't know. I might just go with that. I think it'll work. Yeah, cool deal, cool deal. That stuff is so thick for that little guy over there that I preheat the heck out of it. I have the oxyacetylene torch out in the shop. I just didn't feel like rolling it in here, and unfortunately I'm out of MAP gas. But yeah, this'll do it. It'll definitely help. It'll get better penetration on the spindle. So I heat this up for a few minutes and throw on my gloves and helmet and weld it up. See how lousy of a job I can do here. I don't know. We'll see. I shouldn't have done that last one. Whatever. I laid down a bead and then laid down another on top of it. It's... Focus there. It ain't too bad. I mean, come on, man. It's a lawnmower here. But, you know, now I got to preheat and do all that. But I'm going to flip it up so it's easier to weld and all that. I'll be able to fill it in. It should be damn solid, that's for sure. Hey, it's just wicked hot right now. Almost even just burnt my knuckle through the glove because I was using a vise to lean against, and up towards the end there, it was getting pretty hot. Doing it in a couple of stages there, so now I'm going to totally flip it up and burn it on around the rest of that. Woohoo! Alright. It's okay. Man, it was so hot I couldn't get any. Yeah, I could make 100 excuses, whatever. I can't weld all that great. It's just I haven't welded in a while. Whatever. But that should definitely be pretty strong. That's fair. So yeah, you know, now I got that ugly screwed up piece on the outside that I welded on, you know, for extra strength. Alright, I got an ugly piece I welded on in here previously, and I might as well, you know, I'll tack that. This thing's ripping hot up in there. You know, I'll do a little more heating and I'll lay a bead down in there. Yeah. I hope, you know, should keep it from hopefully bending again. I riced it.